back with another video. As you can see from the title of the video, I'm installing my bride shift boot, the armrest, but you know, I'm using a cloth. So I'm basically gonna be wrapping my armrest. I have like 2 hours to do this. So I already started removing the trim piece, which is this thing right here. I just put it back to give like a different understanding to what I'm actually doing. This is for the non-car people and, you know, car people as well. But for non-car people, this is how it looked before. This was supposed to be on here, but like I said, I removed the screws. These are the screws right here. But yeah, so it looked before. So now I'm just gonna get into the video and start this process and on how I'm going to install this. So yeah, get ready. Okay, so take this off. Okay, now that's done. Okay. So now I gotta use the cloth. I'm not gonna remove this. Hopefully it turns out good. So stand up, open, get the screws out. There's like 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, come on. Whew, good God. So now this thing is off. Now I need to measure how much cloth I'm gonna need. So it's kind of so there's staples underneath here. I'm just gonna put this cloth over it and staple it along the lines. I'm not gonna take this off because there's a cushion thing on it. So in the future, if I want to remove this, I'll still have this on it, right? So yeah, let's get it. Staple. Make sure it's neat. gotta get. No, I'm gonna cut this part off. Oh my god, looks good.